Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and do you have a kitchen utensil that makes you feel powerful? I certainly do, in this meat tenderizer from Gourmet Easy. Now, I didn't know how much I needed this until I had it. What I love about it is made of stainless steel and it's extremely powerful. I love that it is a double-sided mallet, so one side has the spiky side and then the other side has the flat side. Now, both sides have their purposes and this thing is amazing. I found myself always having to fillet our chicken breasts or try to cut them so that they would cook more evenly. Now that I have this meat tenderizer, I am able to flatten out our chicken breasts so that it is an even, consistent size. This allows it to cook more evenly and have a greater, juicier, tender flavor. I really like using the spiky side too on a little bit tougher pieces of meat. Using that really helps to break up the molecules of the meat and just create a more tender cut for you. This meat tenderizer is not just for meat. I also love to use it when I need to crush garlic. I hate having to peel garlic, but with just a couple quick whacks of this meat tenderizer, the peel of the garlic comes off seamlessly. I also can continue to whack it and smush it a little more if I am looking for a crushed garlic too. I am so happy that I now have this super powerful tool that has really helped elevate my cooking, and that's my point of view.